Okay, let's create our first balloon figure. Let's create Koala. Okay, all you need to do is you need to inflate a balloon with approximate 3 inches allowance at the end. Okay, first step is create 4 1-inch bubbles. Okay, so we have 2, 3, and 4. And after that, create 2-inch bubbles like this. After that, create 1 inch. After 1 inch, create another 2 inch. And lastly, create 1 inch. What we are creating here is the head of the koala. After that, put it together, this part, and leave the 3 inches bubbles for a while. Okay, later we will use the 3 inches as we go along, but we need to put it together and create a loop like this. Okay, so we are done already. Now put the end here through the loop that we created. Now you need to, of course, lock it up like this. A simple lock will do, just like that. Okay, now this is the head of the koala. We're not officially done here. We need to create an ear of koala. So by pressing this, and of course it's just like a teddy bear twist. You need to twist this area to create an ear of koala, just like that. Careful, of course. You need to do the same thing. Press it just like that. So we created the ear of koala. Oh, sorry. Okay, so now last part is, of course, you need to twist this teddy bear twist in this area for the face. This area. Of course, extra careful. And I think we're done officially for the face. Okay, so please observe. So the ears, we're done. The face and the back area. So that is the first face of koala, the head. Now moving on, to our next part, the body. So of course, koala, they love to stay on the tree. So let's create an arm, a bigger arm like this, just like that. Okay, and let's create another like this. See? So now let's get another balloon. I want to emphasize to you about what we did here. So let's pretend that this is the tree. Okay, so all you need to do is, of course, just put the balloon, the green balloon here around the loop inside, just like that. Okay, and one more thing is, this is the last here. So it's up to you if you want to create more figure here for the leaves of the koala. So that's it. Okay, so I think we're done. Okay, that's the koala. Okay? That's it.